In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote Digistore24 products on forum sites. Now, believe it or not, it's very easy to potentially make money on forum sites because you already know what their problem is and you already know what the solution is. So watch this entire video to learn step by step how I would go about promoting Digistore24 products on forum sites. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I think forum sites can be one of the great ways to make money online because you already know what the problem is and you just have to figure out a solution that works for them. Now, the key to forum sites and the key to making money online in general is to not spam your affiliate link. If you want the fastest way to get banned and kicked out of groups and be ostracized, spam your affiliate links. But if you want to learn how to actually make money and you want to make money online, you provide value, you solve problems, you answer questions. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go over to Digistore24 and we need to find a product to promote. There are a number of products over here, over 300 in fact. And what we can do is we can really find a product that resonates with us. Now spend a couple minutes, find one that works. We're going to use African Lean Belly in this example. Yeah, this product pays $114 and it looks like it is a supplement that could help someone lose weight in their belly. They can help them lose belly fat. And so what you're going to do is you know what the solution is, so you should know what the problem is. These are people that want to lose weight or lose weight in their belly. And what you can do is simply go over and search weight loss forums as I've done here, and you can see there's a list of forums that you could join. Again, the key is to solve problems and answer questions. Now, what I've done is I've gone over to minimens.com. It is one of the many forum sites out there that are helping people lose weight. Now, there are a number of ways to do it. You can talk about weight loss journeys. You can talk about benefits. You can just answer questions, but I can't emphasize this enough. Don't spam your links. You're going to get kicked out and you're going to get banned. What you can do is spend some time going through reading the rules and making sure you are compliant. You can also add links into your bio or your signature so that people can find you organically and you're not going out there hawking your product. Now, what I recommend that you do, one of the best ways to do it, is add a link to a blog, a website, or a YouTube channel. The reason being is people won't see you as just a spammer. They'll see you as a person that's trying to provide helpful information, and you have more information on the website. That's going to provide more credibility than just a link to a product. So if we look at this real quick, what we're looking for is we're looking for people that are asking questions or have concerns. If we scroll through general weight loss support and help forums, they have different challenges, strugglers and restarters. These are all different opportunities. People are telling you what's important: fitness, health, and exercise. If we scroll down, they talk about entertainment. But one thing that we can do is we can look at the keywords or we can look at things that people are looking for most often and that are things that are resonating with them the most. If we look at this, these are different keywords that have popped up. People are basically coming to the site to ask questions, and you can answer these questions and be helpful. And if you don't know the answer, copy this just like this. Go over to Google, paste it in, hit enter, and they're going to tell you exactly the answer. But let's go back over here and we're just going to find different questions that you could answer. Let's see, let's go to general weight loss and support here. We're going to click on this and we can go to general weight loss discussion. You can see people are going to be asking all sorts of questions, and you can even search by questions like how, what, where. If we click on search here, let's see, we'll do how and hit search. And you're going to see people are, let's see, does anyone know how many points for chicken tikka taka, main, and starter, please? So if we look at this, people are telling you exactly, working on me. So wonderful, reading your diary, Jenny, and seeing how happy you are. Again, you can go through how, what, who, where, and answer these questions and become a subject matter expert without spamming your links. And once again, if you don't know the answer, jump over to YouTube or Google and search it. For example, does anyone know how many points? If I don't know this, and I don't, I'm going to copy this, go over here, paste that in, and as you can see, people are answering this question. People are asking and answering the question, and you can elaborate a little bit more. If we click on this, for example, you're going to see this one actually doesn't have any answers at all. If we go back here, let's see if we can find one that has questions and answers. Lockdown. Actually, that's a good one right here. Let's type in lockdown. Lockdown. You could look up like pandemic, where people are going through circumstances and they really need assistance. You can provide that assistance for them, again, without spamming. If we look at this, 2021 won't beat Triangle. 2021 won't beat Triangle. Again, people are sharing their experiences. You want to go in and become part of the discussion. I can't emphasize that enough. New to Lipple Trim. It looks like people are kind of indirectly promoting whatever it is that they're interested in. Come join us, 2021, lockdown. If we click on this, you can see people are doing this all day, every day. If we click on this person's profile, you can learn how to do this step by step. And this can work for any product. If we go back over here, you want to, again, I think that the best way to do it is to click this promote button, get your affiliate link, and embed it either in a YouTube channel, embed it in your website or blog post. Now, if your ultimate goal is to make money based on forums, create a website that just has 1 or 2 pages, and then make sure that the pages both link out to this product that you're recommending. If you don't plan on creating an entire website, you don't need a bunch of pages, because ultimately you're using your website as a landing page and to offer more credibility. If you are going to make a whole thing of this, if you're going to make this into a blog that gets hundreds and thousands of page views per month, what I recommend is just sending people to a landing page and collecting their email address, potentially giving them something free in exchange. For example, you could give them a free ebook or a free training. You could create a free ebook like 10 exercises that will help you burn fat fast, or 10 proven ways to burn fat fast. Once you do that, you can start making money. But it's really easy to get up and running, and I recommend, again, I'm going to say this for the 4th time, please don't spam your affiliate links. These guys are building communities out there where they're trying to help people get through whatever struggle or frustration that they have. And the worst thing that you could do is you could devalue yourself and your brand by just spamming your links. Go out there, be helpful, solve problems, because people that solve problems make money. People that don't solve problems create them, and they don't make money, and you'll be frustrated. So now that you know how to do that, be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, click the links in the description to get up and running. This is austingodbolt.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.